Hi, so we're making like a Palermitana steak. So I did 1 cup of seasoned or plain breadcrumbs. And if you're gluten free, obviously you could get special breadcrumbs. 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. Mix it well. Some really good oregano. I actually got this oregano in Greece. That's just the coating for our steak. The cut is Milanese steak, very thin, okay? And you just put a little bit of olive oil on both sides. Spread it like this with your fingers. And then you bread it into the mixture that we prepared earlier. So we take a griddle and put some olive oil, make it nice and hot. And then we take 1 piece at a time. This is literally gonna take a couple of minutes each side and that's it. We're gonna be making a lot of these. I suggest you clean the pan after about 4 slices.